Hello, my name is Nick Stamoulis of the digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. During today's video strategy session, I will talk about ways keywords can help you reach the right B2B audience. When it comes to SEO and keyword usage, many people still operate under outdated ideas rooted in the early days of SEO. Back then, it was all about stuffing as many keywords as possible into your content to rank higher in the search engines. But those days are long gone, and so is that strategy. It's really time to shift our mindset. Keywords are no longer about gaming the system. They're about building meaningful connections with your audience. To use keywords effectively, the first step is knowing your audience. This might seem obvious, but if you're surprised, you'd be surprised how many businesses dive into SEO without fully understanding who they're trying to reach. Your audience should be about the foundation of all your digital marketing efforts, including keyword research. Without a clear picture of who they are, what they need, or what problems they're trying to solve, your keywords won't resonate with them. Take the time to define your audience. It's the starting point, really, for everything. Next, align your keywords with your business goals. It's not enough to know your audience. You also need to understand why you're trying to connect with them. What do you want to achieve? Are you looking to generate leads, build brand awareness, or establish expertise? Your goals will guide the intent behind your keywords, helping you craft a message that resonates to them. By tying your keywords to your business objectives, you ensure that your content is relevant, purposeful, and aligned with what your audience actually needs. And let's now talk about content. The days of keyword stuffing in content are long over, and trying to force keywords into your writing does do more harm than good. Not only does it hurt readability, but search engines actually penalize this approach. Instead, on creating content that genuinely helps your audience. When you write authentically and naturally, the right keywords will often appear without any forced effort. However, having a list of pre-researched keywords as a reference can help guide your topic selection and ensure your content is aligned with your overall strategy. Remember, search engines are really sophisticated. They understand intent, not just the literal presence of keywords. That means even if your exact keyword isn't in your content, your page still can do well if it meets the audience needs. Keywords should inspire and guide your content, but they should never dictate it. Thanks so much for listening. My name is Nick Stamoulis from the Boston-based digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. Please be sure to visit our website at brickmarketing.com or follow us at Brick Marketing.